Daijahao everybody, welcome back. Got a fantastic video lined up for you. We're at Depot Park and Cade Museum here in the city of Gainesville. Let's get started. Hey guys, I'm just walking today. No plan, no checklist. This is Gainesville on foot. Depot Park first, Cade Museum later. Nothing fancy about it. Some places make more sense when you don't rush them. Depot Park is one of those. You feel it almost immediately. People moving at different speeds. Joggers cutting through, kids allowed in that unfiltered way, people sitting like they got nowhere else to be. Depot Park doesn't perform, it just works. You hear conversations drift past, half-finished thoughts, weekend plans, complaints about work, normal stuff. That's usually how you know that place is doing its job. Let's keep going. There's water here, but it's not trying to be over dramatic. It's just part of the space. This used to be a rail lines. Now it's open ground. Now the city didn't erase what was here, it repurposed it. The benches fill up, empty out, fill up again. That rhythm tells you more than any sign could ever. I like places that don't ask for attention, and this park never does. You notice it slowly, the openness, the way people pass through and circle back, how easy it is to stay longer than planned. It feels lived in, not staged, and I really like that. As we keep walking, the Cade Museum starts to show up ahead. Clean lines, modern and quiet. It doesn't dominate the space, it just holds its ground. Up close, the museum feels deliberate. No noise, no flash. It's built around creativity and invention. Less about looking, more about thinking. Even from the outside, you get that sense. This isn't about nostalgia, it's about ideals. Now, I'm not going in today, we're just watching how the building sits here. Calm, confident, not trying to sell itself. Museums do say a lot before you ever walk inside, and what a city values, about what it hopes sticks. The Cade Museum feels like Gainesville is choosing curiosity, letting people experiment, letting things get a little messy. It becomes part of the walk, you notice it, but then you keep moving. Let's keep going, guys. This is what Gainesville does best. It doesn't rush you. Depot Park and the museum aren't destinations in the loud sense. They're part of the day. You walk, you notice, you keep going. No highlights reels, no big reveal, just walking around and hanging out here in Gainesville. Till next time, guys, Daizao Zaijian. See you all on the next video.